All right, welcome to part three of my LS 567 digital reference class, assignment two. This is introducing Fold 3 database for my using image databases as primary sources topic. Once again, I'm Alan Davis. Um, Fold 3 is fairly interesting. It uses a couple of slightly different search features and filter systems. So let's dig right into it. Uh, right here on the main page, there's keyword search, like we've seen in the other databases. Further down is a topical search by database systems, everything from census to newspapers, including specific newspapers like the San Francisco Chronicle, to Civil War information, to specific documents like the Declaration of Independence. There's also photos down here at the bottom, as well as topical main events in U.S. and world history like the Vietnam War and World War One. There's even some nationalization records. Okay. Um, Now, the nifty feature is that you can also sort by a database, by archival searching. So you can narrow it and see there's African American archives, Native American archives, Revolutionary War archives, U.S. Bureau of Investigation case file archives, World War II archives. Awesome, right? Um, Okay. Second way, this one is unique because the keyword box also doubles as a second search feature, which you use person search. If you click on the name person, you can type in the person you are looking for. First by first name, Abra. Oops. All right, and the other half here, Lincoln. Do a little quick search here. Okay, our search here is first of all, we have a category system. New Nation by era to 1860, 1816 to 1880, World War One, 1920 to 20th century 1922 to present, city directories, naturalizations, newspapers, and photos. Okay, so I'm just going to click on photos here and see what pops up. Should be some interesting things. And now I'm going to narrow the date range, and there's a little timeline feature here in which you just left click and hold and you can slide it. So as you can see, time is subtracting. It's now 1936. And I'm going to go all the way down to 1866. I'm going to bring it 1860 to 1866. Excellent. Alright. So, there's also some other options you can, and some of them you can filter by state or document types, when it was added, stuff like that. This is our second filter: first, second, third, and these define the items we're looking at. Let's see what we got here. Do a quick update there. And Boston Public Library collection, some little monograph photos of Abraham Lincoln. Let's click onto one and see what pops up. This is one of the great ones of when he was like a senator from Illinois. Before he had the beard, probably, or maybe when he was a lawyer. I'm not exactly certain. Don't see a date on it. Um, how this system works is all the filters are in place here. Abraham Lincoln, our keyword searches. The time search we modified. I don't see the photo modification, but that may be something they just didn't factor in. This one's from the Boston Public Library. Down here, BPL, Boston Public Library, includes a search link. Um, in this little viewer here, we can click View a Larger Image. And let's see what happens. Maybe a little bit too big. But yeah, it's a completely adjustable size format system here. If it ever comes up, and it doesn't look like it's wanting to cooperate right now. Okay, I'm gonna hit the back button here. Let's try something different. You get the option to save to your gallery, memorial page, awesome, bookmark, share, are great. Let's see if we can find something else. Not necessarily Abraham Lincoln, but looks like maybe an inauguration of some kind. See if we can get a larger view of that one. Anyway, how this is supposed to work is over here on the left you can see related information, and you're supposed to be able to see the photo, but it's not coming up right now. My luck. Okay, but if you notice back here in the gallery is that the image you're wanting to look at pops up in this viewer on the right, and the other images pop up, and all related items that from that search are still located on the left, so you can change them without having to pop back and forth. I don't know why that popped up like that. Here we go. Just click on the links here. I think I clicked on the photo instead of the link. Okay, so this is it. This is Fold 3 database. Thank you all.